Blue skies all the way. We laugh, we joke, we sing. What a beautiful day. Not a cloud in our sight. It's such an adventure, my baby, you and I. Water's crystal clear. Reality so far from here. Never wanna leave this place. Oh, so far from home. No need for nobody else. We've got it all. Life, living so high, living on that night. So precious, no dear thing. Living on that night. Color me in bright light. Taste the night upon our lips. Sweetness like a rainbow's kiss. Happiness is life. No need for money. Oh sugar, you're my honey. Such a joyride. You take me to the highest heights. Let's stay here, I think we might. Shimmer me in gold. We're all each other needs. For us, my love, to grow old.
Hey, Love and Truckin' family. I am about to make some food, and I thought it would be a good time to answer a few questions that came up on the last video having to do with food and what kind of food we make on the truck. Now, Jay is up here in the front seat and he's eating some chicken that I made yesterday and put up for leftovers in the Airbnb. Let's have a look at his chicken dish. Hey!
It's all gone.
That
Take the bowl, I can get my face in there.
That was an orange chicken with...
It was really good. I really enjoyed it.
It was
I wolfed it.
orange chicken with caramelized onions and vegetables, all made in the Instant Pot. And so it was obviously you liked it.
It was very good.
Cool.
Yeah, I love it. Haven't had orange chicken in quite a while.
Yeah.
It's a real treat. She puts, what is it, mandarin oranges?
Yes.
In there to cook, and that flavor gets in the chicken and everything, and
Plus
the sauce.
orange marmalade.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's yummy.
So,
It wasn't quite enough, so I'm supplementing.
Well, I'm about to make meatballs with red sauce, so thought you could come along with me on that. Okay, so here we are. I am going to take the Instant Pot and pull it out. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pot right here. The vegetable for steaming veggies. Okay, let's plug this in. I'm gonna pull out the meatloaf. Well, it's meatloaf or meatballs. I put this together yesterday. It's 1 pound of hamburger, 1 pound of pork, organic both, and 2 eggs, then some garlic, some salt, some pepper. I put a touch of cayenne. Don't tell Jay that. Oh, that smells so good. All right. Now, I haven't tried this recipe before. I hope I hope it works. We'll find out. Okay, this is a fantastic bread sauce that we get at Whole Foods, but you can get this lots of places. Just pick your favorite bread sauce. This is Red Heirloom Tomatoes, non-GMO pasta sauce. And it's fantastic. So this is heating up, which is great. I'm going to take the meatball mixture and just start rolling these guys up. I have my spray bottle of water and some soap and paper towels all at the ready. Now I'm making a fairly good sized meatball here. Last one. These are good sized meatballs. Almost like little mini meatloaves. So there they are. My meatballs are ready. I'm going to put them right into the pot. Actually, I'm not going to wait for this to sear. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I'm going to put my red sauce in. Let's just make this simple. I'm going to pour it right over the meatballs. Go ahead and put the rest in. There they go. Yes. There it is. Now, just about a quarter cup. Shake this up. I'm going to just put some of that. Do that. All right. That smells fantastic. My goodness. Let's put the top on. To pressure cooker. It's plugged in. Select meat, stew. I'm going to turn this down to 25 minutes. High pressure. 25 minutes. We'll come back, have a look, and do a taste test. Okay, so someone recently asked, I'm sorry I forgot who it was, but you know who you are. Thank you for this question. Asked what kind of food we keep on the truck. In the ARB, I'll tell you what we've got. Let's go up there and have a look. I have some tortillas, as you can see. Some hummus there in the back. There are bell peppers, cauliflower, broccoli, summer squash for vegetables. All different kinds of vegetables in season. You can't beat. Steamed vegetables is probably my favorite real food meal. Steamed vegetables with sausage, with a piece of chicken, sometimes just by itself, a salad on the side, or a piece of cheese, perhaps. Now, we do eat cheese, but we don't eat a ton, because we don't eat it all the time. But if we're going to have it on the truck, I try to keep good cheese that is non-GMO, organic if possible, and doesn't have, you know, what is it that's in cheese? RBST, I think. RBST? Yeah. It's good to find dairy products that are RBST free, growth hormone free. And so you have to read labels and take a good close look. There are products out there, even at Walmart. You just have to look closer. If we're somewhere where we can get to Whole Foods or to a Trader Joe's, that's where we like to shop, but Walmart will work. Just have to be more picky when it comes to the kinds of cheese. If I'm going to have cheese on the truck, oh, I ate it all last night. Here is a pepper jack cheese. This is actually my favorite Whole Foods carries this. It's an organic Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeno peppers. So I like that. When it comes to snacks, Jay just got me a snack here in the truck stop. I'll show it to you. This is chicharron. It's pork skins. And before you say, oh my God, Andrea. Okay, pork skins are actually very good for you. It is a great protein snack. Now, you can't combine this with bread or a sandwich, for example, because it's a protein. It is a pure protein, and it gives you lots of good energy, and it's excellent for men. So keep these on the truck. I happen to like these with a cream cheese dip that has artichokes and jalapenos. I get it at Trader Joe's. I'll show you. There we go. What's great about the chicharron, the pork skins, is that it's crunchy, like a chip, but you don't have, it's not like potato chips. Because a potato chip is a carbohydrate and it's fried in oil. I can take a few potato chips. If I eat too many, it upsets my stomach because it's poorly combined. This is not poorly combined. This is a protein snack that's, yes, it's fried in oil, but oil is a protein. This is a protein, so that's properly combined. And I find just through experimenting for myself that these work very well. What I like to have them with is this, a chunky artichoke and jalapeno peppers. It is so good. This is essentially, it's, as you can see, it's cream cheese, it has artichoke hearts, it has jalapenos. It's really delicious, and chicharron dipped in this is a fantastic snack. When it comes to snacks also, ham, sliced roast beef, you can pick those up at most grocery stores. Doesn't have nitrates or nitrites in it. And again, a bit tough to find, but very, very worth it. So sliced ham with cheese sticks, with a piece of cheese, or with cottage cheese, really fantastic. When it comes to the mornings, I probably 4 out of 5 days, I have oatmeal. It sticks to your ribs. It's great fiber. It keeps things moving. You know what I mean? Not just the truck, but other things that are very important to keep moving. Because when they don't move, that particular movement that you know I'm talking about, things get out of hand very quickly. On the days I don't have that, it's yogurt with blueberries or a pear or an apple. Sometimes apple with cheese for breakfast. Sometimes eggs with sausage. But I often will save eggs, sausage, and a touch of cheese for the afternoon or evening. My afternoon evening is late at night, so it's easy to stop. Make that very quickly in this pot. This is the Hamilton Beach oatmeal maker. Okay, so it's just a small pot, as you can see. Cut up a few vegetables, put them in this pot with some water, and set it to the steel cut oat setting. And it will steam your vegetables for you. What's cool is that this top, oops, let me get the handle back this way. It locks. You can see that if I put this on and I put the handle, it has locked the top on there, which just is fantastic for the truck. What can I say? Really good. So I also will sometimes put a piece of small chicken in that pot and let it cook, again on steel cut oats, and sometimes you have to run it a couple of times, but it will cook chicken through. We have the Instant Pot, the Hamilton Beach oatmeal maker, and we have a grill, and it's underneath. It's an electric Cuisinart. I can't think of the model, but I'll show it to you at some point. It's tucked in underneath this hot pot, so I don't want to dive for it. That's fantastic for cooking a steak. It's just nice to have those grill marks. I have cooked steak in the Instant Pot. It works. You really can't control the temperature on this saute, so sometimes it smokes, and I just thought this time I would try the grill. It's the first time I've had the grill on the truck with us. So okay, hey everybody, it's finished. So let's open this up and see how it tastes. No, what I did was I let this cool and didn't open because it sprays stuff, and that's what happens with stew and porridge and things like that. It'll actually come out the top, so just let the pressure come out naturally. Okay, let's make sure this is in position. There we go. Oh wow, that smells good. Oh my goodness gracious. Put that right there. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, this is the red sauce with meatballs, and I intend to put this aside and put my steamer back in the pot and steam some vegetables, and put this over the steamed vegetables, which sounds fantastic. But let's find out how this tastes. A close up. Hot. Oh, that's fantastic. Do you want to taste? Okay. Test it first.
It's very good.
It is. Okay, so there it is. I ate my entire meatball. It's delicious. First time I've made it, and I'm super happy with it. Try this. You'll like it. All right, guys. That's gonna be really good. I know, we need a sink.